how to reply to a snap on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera, right? Now on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. You may want to click here to your messages or your chat section. Now, there are 2 ways to actually send a reply to a snap. So you can automatically give them a snap here on the right side. You will see this camera. You can actually click on that and you can send a snap to them. Now, to be able to reply to a snap, for example, this person actually gave me a new snap here. So you may want to click on that. And as you can see here, she gave me a snap snap. So to be able to reply to that, so let's just hold on that. On the right side of that, you will see this camera. So you can actually just give them a snap too, and then you can add text on that, and then tap on done, and then send them back. And basically, that is how you reply to a snap on Snapchat. And we can actually send a chat too. So what you're gonna do is you just swipe right to that, and then tap on your reply here, and then tap on send. And that is it. That is how you reply to a snap on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.